Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Wrenching with Ruben over at Friendly Hobbies. Today we're going to be installing some lights on this eRevo. For today's purposes, we're going to be using the LED Firefly lights that you can find on friendlyhobbies.com in red, blue, or green. These guys are super easy to install. They plug right into your receiver. All you may need is an extension cable to get them in the position that you want. The eRevo we're working on today already has lights on it, so all we're adding is a Y cable to add the other set of lights. First thing we need to do is remove the receiver cover. After you remove the cover to the receiver box, you can go ahead and install the light cable right into any of the extra slots on the receiver. We already have lights, so we're going to just add the Y cable. Now that we got our Y cable installed, we're going to go ahead and add our LEDs right where we want them. So we're adding underglow to this guy. We're going to put it in a position that makes it easy for me to get to. Man, these guys are super nice to install, really easy, and super strong adhesive to stick to the car. Okay, now we got them in position, we're going to go ahead and connect them. We also want to make sure the cable isn't around any moving parts. Pro tip, use zip ties where you need them. Make sure you tidy up everything you opened up and you'll be good to go. Lights are installed, they're all connected, let's go ahead and test them. Looking good! Thanks guys for tuning in to another episode of Wrenching with Ruben. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Till next time.